What if I told you that in the next 30 days, you could publish not just one, but 3 books that actually sell? Not rushed garbage and not AI spam. I'm talking about 3 high quality, profitable books that can generate consistent royalties month after month. Most people say they want to make money with AI publishing, but when it comes to actually doing the work, they stall, overthink, or just never finish. So today, I'm giving you the exact 30-day roadmap to go from idea to income with 3 solid books that can launch your publishing career for real. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, week number 1, niche selection and system setup. Your first week is about precision, not production. Pick 3 small profitable niches that have proven demand but low competition. Think micro topics like mindset for remote workers or clean eating after 40. Don't guess. Use data from Amazon categories, BSR rankings, and most importantly, keyword tools. Once you've picked your 3 niches, build your publishing system. Your prompts, templates, title formats, and cover structure. You're not just writing books, you're building a machine that makes books for you. All right, week number 2, AI drafting and humanizing. Now it's time to write, but smartly. Use AI to generate your structure and first draft. Then edit and polish it like a real author. Fix tone, rhythm, and flow. Add your own stories and examples. The goal isn't speed for the sake of speed, it's consistency. This is where most people fail. They stop to obsess over perfection and then they never publish. But consistency beats perfection every single time. By the way, if you want to see how I structure this 30-day system with prompts, research tools, and editing templates, I walk through every step inside my full AI publishing course. It's literally the system that I use to publish and rank books every single month. The link is below if you want to go deeper. Now back to the video. All right, now week number 3, covers, titles, and listings. Your 3rd week is all about presentation. You could write the best book on the planet, but if your cover looks like it was made in Microsoft Paint, then I'm sorry, but no one's buying. Invest in clean, clickable covers. Make sure your title creates curiosity and not confusion. And in your description, focus on outcomes, not features. Sell the transformation that you're offering. And finally, week 4, launch, review, and refine. Finally, launch all 3. Don't expect perfection on day 1. Watch which one performs best, tweak keywords, improve descriptions, and build momentum. You'll be shocked how much faster the 2nd and 3rd launch go after your system is dialed in. In 30 days, you won't just have 3 books, you'll have a whole system. And from there, every month gets easier, every launch gets smoother, and every royalty check gets bigger. Start small, move fast, and stay consistent. That is the real secret to long-term success with AI publishing. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video.